Why are cats purring so soothing to your body? Their gentle vibrations do more than relax you. They can actually help heal and reduce stress in surprising ways. Cats produce purring sounds at frequencies between 25 and 150 hertz. Studies show that vibrations in this range can encourage tissue regeneration, reduce swelling, and even help bone healing. This means when your cat purrs on your lap, those soothing vibrations might actually be helping your body repair itself faster. It's a natural form of sound therapy you get just by cuddling your feline friend. Your nervous system responds to the calming sound of a cat's purr by lowering cortisol levels, the hormone linked to stress. This helps reduce anxiety and creates a sense of peace. That's why petting a purring cat can make you feel calm, relaxed, and even happier. It's a natural mood booster that's right at your fingertips. Purring is also a form of communication for cats. They purr to show contentment and to bond with you. This connection releases oxytocin, the love hormone in both you and your cat. That hormonal boost strengthens your emotional bond and makes you feel safe and soothed, deepening the relaxing effect of their purr. So next time your cat curls up and purrs, remember it's not just cute. It's a natural healing and stress relief tool you can enjoy anytime. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep learning with us.